Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of topometric canva setup. A topometric canva serves as a reference system that allows us to make precise measurements and capture essential details in our surveys. By setting up the canva correctly, we ensure consistent and reliable results every time. The first step in setting up a topometric canva is determining the number of points required. For most applications, a minimum of 6 points is recommended. However, depending on the complexity of the object or area you're measuring, you may need to increase the number of points for greater accuracy. Once you've determined the number of points, the next step is to identify key points on the object or area of interest. These points will serve as anchors within the topometric canva. It's crucial to select points that are representative of the structure and easily identifiable during the measurement process. Now that we have our key points, it's time to distribute them strategically across the object or area. The spacing between the points should be uniform to create an evenly distributed canva. By doing so, we ensure that no critical details are missed, and we capture the contours and features accurately. Once the points are distributed, it's essential to measure it and verify the accuracy of the canva setup. This step involves using precision instruments such as laser trackers or total stations. That measurement ensures that the reference points are correctly aligned and that subsequent measurements will be accurate and reliable. To recap, setting up a topometric canva involves determining the number of points required, identifying key points, strategically distributing them, and performing measurement and verification. By following these steps, you lay the groundwork for precise and dependable measurements. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the world of topometric canva setup. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights and practical knowledge. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Feel free to share your thoughts, questions, or any experiences you've had with topometric canva setup in the comments section below. Until next time, happy measuring!